Here we are, good guys winning. We're in Pattaya, starting off here at the base condo. It's a pretty decent place. Anyway, you have to go through Agoda. Don't go through Expedia. Go through Agoda if you want to book this place or any other place in Thailand. Pattaya is kind of crazy, wild, loud with all the bars. Right now we're gonna go breakfast. I'm gonna try to make my way to Good Times Coffee. I'm on Second Road. We're gonna go through to past Soy Bacau, past TreeTown, and try to find the Good Times Coffee. Get an omelet, coffee. So, walking through. It's a gated area. What's it like dating here? Thai friendly, Tinder, Bumble, meet them at the mall. I really like going to Central Festival Mall, air conditioned, clean. It's usually so hot out here. Even at night, 10 o'clock at night, walking home, it's you get hot and sweaty. Every time you go in, you gotta take a shower. There are families. There are families here, but I will tell you, it's a little too wild.
And Merry Christmas too,ค่ะ.
Morning, have a good day.
Have a good day,ค่ะ.
Finding a place for smoothies. Always 7-Eleven here. Get anything you need at 7-Eleven. So we have massage, restaurant, breakfast. All the way through. Up there, Central Pattaya, Central Festival Mall. We got another 7-Eleven here. So everything you need, 7-Eleven. Peace. That's right. Good guys winning. Good guys winning. Hey, what do you say, Pattaya?
When do we say Pattaya?
Soy Bacau. Okay.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Czechoslovakia.
Where are you from?
Czech.
Czechoslovakia.
Prague.
Nice to what's your name?
Benachek.
Ash. Nice to meet you, brother. Yeah?
Fantastic bike. Fantastic bike.
Those guys are still on it from last night. So we're gonna walk through here, going through TreeTown. Dating. You talk to one, you set something up, then they change plans. Oh, they're going out with their friends, this and that. So I don't know, if they're not that serious, they're not that serious. Hard to find the ones that speak English. So if you do, more power to you. Google Translate, yeah, don't work very well, really, for long term. Another coffee shop here. So dating can get expensive. And the good ones will not want to spend all your money. They will actually want to save money. If they're out trying to spend money, and then that's all they want. But that's what this area is about. Everybody's trying to survive. All the women are trying to survive. A lot of the men come to play. So they're going to pay. And the women are going to charge. That's life here. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet in the morning here. Going through TreeTown. The sun is blaring down, it's hot. Of course, at night, this is wild. Tables, chairs, street food vendors. This is calm area, but this is the wild area also. Soy 6, the other bars, you can find them. You walk for miles and this is the same thing everywhere you go. A welding project here. Come in here in the evening, in the afternoon, you're gonna get lots of food. McDonald's Prime Burger. This is a good cozy cafe. Cozy Cafe has smoothies, coffees. They got a lot of good stuff here. Just come over here to Cozy Cafe, right here in TreeTown. Get your fruit smoothie, get your coffee, get everything. Walking down Soy Macau, near TreeTown. money. Jolly's is right down there. We're going to Amber Hotel is up there. Right up this alley here, Amber Hotel. Comfortable beds, good place. Not cheap in the high season, but if you can get a deal, check it out on Agoda. Here we are. Good Times Coffee. We're gonna check it out. Breakfast. You know. Good Times Coffee.
Happy customer.
Yeah, happy customer, Rick. We got one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Hello, everybody on the world.
Check it out. Good
It's
Times
good
Coffee.
times. Good times are good times.
Yeah. Decent food, relax.
Yeah. All good.
Yeah.
Relax.
Relax.
Easy. Nice temperatures. Come on down. Soy 21?
31.
I think it's 21. Oh, soy boy cow.
Soy Bacao next to Amber.
That's the one.
Yeah. Yep.
Next to the Amber Hotel and the Adelphi, if I'm not mistaken.
If you keep going, that's Third Road,
That's correct.
right? Okay. Yeah, you just keep walking. Soy Bacao. Keep walking down here. We got Third Road. So I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna get an omelet. I'm gonna get some
He's going to
coffee.
get his omelets. A man can't do without his omelets.
That's right. All right.
Hey.
Take it easy.
Nice to see you.
Hello. Here we are inside Good Times Coffee. Very comfortable, very good place. Sit, relax, have good stuff. So, they make it all. Alrighty. Good guys winning. Check it out.